Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can collect or harvest all fruits in your garden and grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, the admin has just added new feature called harvest all feature, and you can use this feature to harvest all your fruits. And I'm going to click on this feature, and unfortunately, it's not free, guys. You will need 9 Robux to harvest all your fruits faster. But if you have a lot of Robux, you can use this feature because it only costs 9 Robux. And it will help you to collect everything from your garden. Or you can use the harvest tool to make you easier and faster in collecting the fruit with tall trees. For example, this cocoa mango tree and also this coconut. My coconut is so tall and it's pretty hard to harvest this coconut. So if you want to harvest it faster, you can use the harvest tool. Okay. Or if you have a lot of Robux, you can buy this feature and you will collect everything from your garden. Okay guys, and that's all the way to harvest all fruits and grow a garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.